Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the printer supports Wi-Fi Direct and that firmware is up to date. This prevents handshake failures. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on your phone or laptop and temporarily disable VPNs or complicated network profiles so they do not interfere. Next, use the printer control panel or embedded web server to display the Wi-Fi Direct SSID and PIN. Write them down. These steps set the context for a secure direct link and speed up the approval process when you connect. You now initiate the actual connection. Open Wi-Fi settings and pick the printer SSID shown on the device. When your device prompts for a PIN, enter the exact code from the printer. Accuracy matters because the PIN authenticates the direct link. Once your device attempts to join, look at the printer control panel. Many HP models require you to accept or approve the request physically. Make sure to press Approve or Accept promptly so the pairing completes cleanly. You finish by verifying the link. Check your device for a connected to Wi-Fi Direct status and open the printer menu to confirm your device appears as a client. Once connected, print a wireless test or configuration page to verify IP and direct status. This proves the approval succeeded. If something goes wrong, power cycle both devices, retry pairing, and if needed, reset Wi-Fi Direct on the printer. These steps clear transient errors and restore a reliable approval path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.